Hi mga ka-freelancers! So, it's time for yet another BIR tutorial, and for today, ang ituturo ko sa inyo is paano nga ba mag-file ng quarterly income tax or 1701Q for the first quarter. And syempre, ang gagamitin natin is the offline eBIRForms. And as most of you already knew, laging naglalabas ng updated version ang eBIRForms, so make sure to update yours before you even start filing your taxes. And for the guide kung paano gawin yan, you can check out the video description below. Andyan yung mismong link for the video guide. So, before we proceed to that, let me just do a quick shout out to some of my subscribers. So, shout out to Rick PH. Sabi niya, maraming salamat po dito, mabaliw-baliw ako ng kaka-fill out ng lumang form, tapos may version 2018 pala. Good tutorial din po, keep it up. Thank you, Rick PH, and yes, I will regularly upload new videos, especially about BIR, kasi I know how tedious it is to file our own taxes as self-employed or freelancers. So, if you want to receive notification every time na meron akong bagong upload na video, what you can do is that when you subscribe to my channel, don't forget to click or tap the notification bell para lagi kang updated. So, another shout out to Iris Balios. Ang comment niya is, I just registered as a freelancer on January 15, 2019. Do I need to file for the 1701Q or just the 2551Q? You greatly helped me in filing for 2551Q and paying my tax through GCash. Thank you so much. Iris, thank you then for leaving a comment. Actually, depende yan sa instruction ng RDO mo. Kasi on my case, ang sabi sa akin, I have to file my first, second, third, and annual income tax or 1701Q at saka 1701A. For the reason na, for example daw, pumalo na ng more than 3 million ang aking income, second or third quarter pa lang, then technically, hindi na ako classified as a non-VAT taxpayer. So, what I'm gonna do is that I have to visit the RDO again to simply update my records from non-VAT to VAT. And most likely, maiiba na rin yung mga tax types at saka tax rates ko. So, yun. And then, kung ikaw meron ka ring mga questions, you can post it on the comment section below and I'll try to respond to you guys during my free time. And
5 minutes later.
so, eto na talaga guys. Ituturo ko na sa inyo kung paano ba mag-file ng quarterly income tax for the first quarter. Kasi yung pag-file ng second and third quarter, iba yung pag-fill out ng form. Pero I'll make sure guys na I'll make sure to share those video guides bago pa man yung pinaka-last day of filing. So, make sure to subscribe. And again, for the meantime, ito munang first quarter ang ipapakita ko sa inyo.
12 seconds later.
If this is your first time to use the eBIRForms, kailangan mo ilagay lahat ng information na kailangan dyan, such as your TIN, RDO code, line of business, name, address, zip code, contact number, and email address. If this is your second time or third time around doing this, you know the drill, guys. All you have to do is just key in your tax identification number and then press the tab on your keyboard and all the information will automatically show up. Again, guys, I'm going to use a non-existing TIN for tutorial purposes. So, to start filing your income tax for the first quarter, click here to look for the BIRForm 1701Q. Hanapin mo yung latest version. So, ito yon, which is the BIRForm 1701Q V 2018. So, once you have it selected, just click Fill Up and then click OK. So, to start off with, dun tayo sa number 1. For the year 2019. Siyempre, ang ilalagay mo dyan yung kasalukuyang taon. And then, sa number 2 naman, choose a first quarter. Tapos sa number 3, if this is an amended return, click yes. But if not, click no. Now, let's move on to number 7, taxpayer type. So, I'm gonna use a single proprietor. Then, on number 8, alphanumeric tax code, I'm gonna choose 8% IT rate for business income. So, for this one, iba-iba kasi yan per individual or per taxpayer. Ako kasi nag-avail na ng 8% IT or income tax for this year upon updating my COR very recently. Pero kung ikaw nandun ka pa rin sa graduated income tax, then choose the applicable ATC for you. Moving on to number 11, just key in your date of birth. So for example, October 13, 1986, key in 10/13/1986. Tapos sa number 13, yung citizenship, just key it in. For number 16, you'll notice na automatic nang napili yung 8% nung pumili tayo ng option natin sa bullet number 8. Tapos, scroll down, punta tayo sa part 2, background information on spouse. So, since it's not applicable to me, I'm gonna leave it blank. Moving on to part 3, total tax payable. Grayed out siya, wala pang mga values or figures. Magkakaroon yan pag na-fill upan na natin yung page 2. So, just click next. Dito sa page 2, I will have to skip schedule 1, numbers 36 to 46, kasi that's for those na naka-graduated income tax. Pero kung ikaw, you're still into it, ito yung kailangan mong fill upan kasama na yung schedule 3 at 4. Ang kagandahan niyan, grayed out siya, hindi mo siya ma-edit, so there's no reason for you para magkamali pa. At since ako, ang income tax rate ko is 8% flat rate, ang kailangan ko namang fill upan is schedule 2, 3, and 4. Kaya naman, I will have to fill out numbers 47 to 68. Sa number 47, sales and revenue receipts. Yan yung total na ng lahat ng sales ko from January to March 2019. So, upon checking my cash receipts journal, ang total niya is 62,000. So, ilalagay ko lang yun dyan. Tapos sa number 48, non-operating income. Since not applicable sa akin yan, I'm gonna leave it blank. Tapos yung number 49, mapapansin mo, 62,000 pa rin kasi wala ka nilagay sa number 48. Ang total kasi yan ng number 47 tsaka 48. Sa number 50 naman, add total taxable income or loss from previous quarter. Guys, we're filing for the first quarter, so wala tayong ilalagay dyan. And then, kung mapapansin mo si number 51, cumulative tax income, 62,000 pa rin kasi wala tayong nilagay sa number 50. Tinotal lang kasi niya yung 49 and 50. So, kung mapapansin mo, kinocompute na siya ng form para sa'yo. So, katulad nga ng sinabi ko kanina, wala kang rason para magkamali pa. Kasi ang kailangan mo na lang gawin, ilagay yung mga detalye, yung mga numbers and figures na kailangan. Kasi form na ang magko-compute para sa'yo, kaya less hassle. Sa number 52, less allowable reduction amounting to 250,000 pesos. Bakit 250,000? Remember mga ka-freelancer, yung 250,000 na kikitain natin sa loob ng isang taon, hindi siya papatawan ng buwis. Pero anything beyond that, kahit papiso yan, let's say umabot ng 250,001 pesos yung annual income mo, yung piso na yun lang yung papatawan ng buwis, depende sa kung anong tax rate mo. Kaya naman ang ilalagay natin dyan is 250,000 pesos. Tapos sa number 53, taxable income or loss to date, ang automatically kinumpute is negative 188,000. So negative yung lumabas, ang meaning yan, taxable loss yan, kaya naman wala tayong babayarang income tax ngayong quarter. Kaya yung number 54, kung mapapansin mo, tax due is 0. Tapos, I will have to skip schedule 3 and 4 kasi not applicable sa akin yan. Wala naman akong tax credits or overpayment last quarter. Wala rin naman akong mga penalties, kaya I will go back to page 1. Click ko lang yung previews. So, dito sa page 1, sa part 3, punta tayo, total tax payable. Lahat ng i-fill up natin sa page 2, yung mga total figures doon, yun lang din yung mag-a-appear dito sa page 1. So, since wala naman tayong tax due, 0 siya dyan, tapos wala rin naman akong tax credits, tax overpayment, penalties, kaya automatic kino-compute ng system, 0 lang din lahat. And since we're done, click na natin yung validate to see kung mayroon man tayong na-miss na information na kailangang ilagay. And then, pag nakita mo, validation successful, ibig sabihin yan, wala naman tayong na-miss na fill upan. So, just click OK. And for the very last step, click on Submit Final Copy. At saka sa process na to, ay naman nakalagay, kailangan ng stable internet connection at kailangan din na valid yung email address na inilagay natin sa form kanina kasi dun isi-send yung confirmation email. So, to proceed, just click OK, tapos OK ulit. Hintayin lang natin na ma-process or ma-send siya sa BIR. Kaso may lumabas na warning na hindi daw na-submit yung form dahil either no internet, slow connection, or overly restrictive firewall. So, just click OK. I-resubmit na lang natin. Click mo lang ulit yung Submit Final Copy. Tapos nakalagay, resending your tax to eBIRForms online. So, just click OK, tapos hintayin natin. So, ayan, successful naman yung submission natin. Tapos, sabi dyan, i-check natin yung email for the confirmation. For now, click muna natin yung OK. Tapos, close. So, for the tax return receipt confirmation, marireceive mo yan sa iyong email within 15 to 20 minutes after your submission, lalo na kung walang queuing ang system ng BIR. So, as I always suggest you guys, huwag kayong sumabay sa dagsa ng taong nagpa-file online sa mismong araw na, or sa last day of filing, which is on May 15. So, kung magagawa niyo naman ng paraan, mas maganda talaga kung mas maaga kayong makapag-file ng quarterly income tax. How to print your fully accomplished BIR Form 1701Q. Click on File, tapos Print Preview. So, for the meantime, yun mo ng page 1 ang ipiprint natin. So, just click on File again, tapos Print. You can also change your print setting. Click mo lang dito. So, dito, mag-change mo kung saang size ba ng bond paper mo siya ipiprint. Tapos, kung anong quality ng pagkakaprint, kung standard or high, kung colored or grayscale. Tapos, once you're done with the setting, just click OK. Tapos, click Print. At para naman ma-print natin yung page 2, babaguhin lang natin yung page dito sa baba. Gagawin nating 2. Tapos, ganun lang ulit. Click natin yung file, tapos print. Actually, hindi na natin kailangan baguhin to. Print na lang tayo. So, yan po yung kung paano mo ipiprint yung fully accomplished BIR form. Now, kung sakasakaling meron kang tax na kailangang bayaran ngayong quarter and gusto mong magbayad sa authorized collecting agent or banks near you, kailangan mo ng triplicate copy ng form. Tapos, kailangan mo ring i-print yung email confirmation. Now, kung gusto mo namang magbayad through GCash, hindi mo na kailangang i-print yung form, but you might consider saving it on your desktop for future reference. You may also want to check out my other video tutorials on how to pay your tax via GCash. Subscribe to my YouTube channel today and don't forget to like this video. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram.